some candidates are joined in the companies, they did the dual employment, but they received salary for 2 months. During the post background verification, the background verification vendors identified, now they are asking justification. They could not able to provide proper justification. Not one or two candidates, more than 25 candidates in past 60 days interacting with me. The beauty is they got termination letter. Again they joined in the another company without providing proper information, hiding dual employment, hiding termination letter. Now they are facing show cause notice, and now also they will not provide proper justification in the investigation call. Okay, and continuous termination, continuous dual employment, both will kill your job. Okay, so if you face any dual employment related problem for future employment, definitely I am ready to give suggestions. You can interact with me. Okay, my email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Once done your payment, we will discuss further. Okay, if you really want to move further in your career with your dual employment, you can approach to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.